Hello, welcome to our Dell 3100 Touch battery replacement tutorial. We'll be demonstrating this repair on a Dell 11 3100 2-in-1 as the process is the same for both units. To get started today, you'll need a few tools: a spudger, manual screwdriver, and a static mat. Step 1. Loosen the 9 bottom cover screws. The screws themselves stay in the bottom cover. Step 2. Carefully pry up the bottom cover. Step 3. Disconnect the battery cable. Step 4. Remove the 3 battery screws. Step 5. Peel back the adhesive strip. Step 6. Using your spudger, carefully remove the battery. Step 7. Carefully position the replacement battery into the unit. Step 8. Replace the adhesive strip. Step 9. Replace the 3 battery screws. Step 10. Reconnect the battery cable. Step 11. Replace the bottom cover. Step 12. Power on the unit to verify a successful repair. Step 13. Power off the unit. Step 14. Tighten the 9 bottom cover screws. And now your repair is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions or need further information, we would always love to hear from you. You can contact us directly via our website at agpartseducation.com.